Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Wen 61721 brad nail gun. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please consider clicking on the subscribe button below and clicking on the bell icon to be notified when all of our videos do come out. So we are moving, yes, in a couple days. I know it's a mess, we are working on it, but we do have a couple projects that a brad nail gun would be super helpful for, like putting on some baseboards. And I was looking around, they are super expensive, typically. So talking like $100, maybe $80 for a decent one. And then on Amazon, I found this Wen model 61721 brad nail gun for $35. The link is below in the description. I've heard some good things about it, so I wanted to get one and see how it does. So let's open up the box and see what's in here. Okay, so now inside here, it looks like we got an instruction manual, and well, you shouldn't need that. We have the nail gun wrapped in plastic, as well as some nails. This thing does come with 2,000 nails, which is super helpful to at least get your project started, so that way you don't have to buy nails right away. And it looks like they come in multiple different sizes and lengths, so that's good. These will come in handy. Then the nail gun itself, pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. So you got the trigger, obviously. You have the exhaust, so that way the air doesn't come shooting up in your face, and you can turn it around. It's got a quick release button down here, so that way you can press it and pull it down, and then load up your nails as necessary, and then slide it back up. It also has a clear sight gauge on here, which is awesome, so that way you can see how many nails you have left without having to pull it open. The other things that it's got on here, pretty nice, is it does have an adjustment for the amount of air that it's using. So that way you can adjust how far in to the wood those nails do go, and that's just a little turning knob here. And then also it does have a little opening so you can pull it open, clear any malfunctions or anything out of the gun, and then secure it back down after you've cleared it out. So otherwise this thing is pretty simple. There's not a whole lot to it, but for 35 bucks, I mean, you can't ask for a whole lot, just that it works. So I will get my air set up and we'll test it out. Okay, so the one thing I forgot to mention is that this thing does come with some oil, a little bottle of it, and does recommend every time you use it to invert the nail gun and put about 4 to 5 drops of oil into it before you choose, just to help keep it lubricated and maintained. So we'll do that now. Got our oil in. I'm going to go ahead and load up some nails. The nails that I'm going to be using inside on our household project are going to need to be the longer ones. So that's the ones we'll go ahead and test here. Okay, pretty simple. Obviously, the nail end or the sharp point goes forward and the head on the back goes back. Pretty simple. You just pop them in there and then you push up the bottom until it snaps in place. I also kind of want to mess with the pressure gauge here to see exactly what it's going to need. Just not sure. So it does recommend 60 to 115 psi on your compressor, so that's what I got it set to. I think I got mine set to about 90, which is kind of right in the middle. I'll go ahead and connect my air and just do a quick test. Doesn't go because the safety works. Go ahead and depress it and test fire. Wow, that actually worked really well. So I'm going to twist the knob the other direction a ways and just see what happens. So it went farther in, okay. Wow, that actually works really well. I'm really happy with it. That's awesome, man. I cannot ask for anything that is easier to use in a $35 tool. And you know the best part about this is it does have a 2-year warranty. So 35 bucks for 2 years for a nail gun, I mean, you just can't beat that. So I highly recommend it. I do have a link below in the description if you guys want to get one as well. But shoot, this thing is awesome, and I'd recommend it. Thanks a lot, y'all. You guys have a good one. We hope you guys like this video here at Lacey Family Farms. If you would consider clicking on that subscribe button right down there below in the center of the screen, we would appreciate it a lot. You can also check out our most recent video over here on your left, as well as a video that they like for you right here on your right.